Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making tamarind paste. So hop on board and let's get cooking. We start with this brick of tamarind. Once we put it in the bowl, we're going to break it apart a bit. Then we're going to add hot water, cover it, break it apart, cover it, and let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. Remove the liquid. Now, I'm gonna get the good stuff. Continue to push it through. Perfect. It makes 1 cup. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.